Microsoft just dropped some based right to repair news. Reddit is still a dumpster fire. Let's talk about it. So the first article from Andrew Cunningham is about the Microsoft right to repair stuff I mentioned. Microsoft is now selling parts for a range of Surface tablets, offering users an alternative to buying a new device when they need a replacement. While the components can be costly, they're cheaper than a new device and ensures users are getting genuine first-party parts. Microsoft is also offering Surface SSD upgrades. These components and upgrades can help extend the lifespan of the devices, contributing to sustainability. Although earlier Surface devices were hard to repair, recent models are more repair-friendly, partially due to the pressure from Microsoft's shareholders and potential right-to-repair laws. These parts will initially be available in the US, Canada, and France, with other markets to follow. I like to call that a W here in these parts. It's not a W for Microsoft necessarily, it's a W for the consumer. And the main reason I can't pat Microsoft on the back too much is because they were basically scared into this by their shareholders. And if that's going to inspire the next tech company to do what's right, then, whatever. If we got to scare them into being normal, then we got to scare them into being normal. You know what I mean? Tech companies are a lot like toddlers, you threaten to take something away from them and they shape up real quick. So the second article about Reddit being a dumpster fire is from Sharon Harding. I'll summarize it here. Nearly 8,500 subreddits have gone private or to read only to protest Reddit's impending API price hike. The blackout started on June 12th and is scheduled to last until June 14th. Reddit CEO Steve Huffman has indicated the protest is a challenge, but hasn't yet affected the company's revenue. The API pricing change has led to accusations of corporate greed, as Reddit plans to charge for services that used to be free. Some subreddits plan to remain dark indefinitely. This controversy comes as Reddit is reportedly planning to go public in 2023. Despite the backlash from developers, users, and moderators, Reddit has shown no sign of revising its API pricing. And the first problem with this whole blackout was that second sentence that I read. The blackout started on June 12th and is scheduled to last until June 14th. But from the looks of this article, I don't think it worked. I think they're still going to stand strong. They're not going to let anybody use their API because they've priced everyone out of it. They're going to go public in 2023. CEO's going to make a lot of money. And yeah, maybe Reddit will die one day when people just stop using it and maybe use another app. But that doesn't seem to be the case because anytime a new app comes out, everyone just immediately dunks on it and says it's crap, and then they move on with their life and don't try and make it better at all. So here we are. We're stuck with the same apps for the end of time.